Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had really wanted to do, sorry my girls are in the other room. I just really wanted to give you guys an update. I have been so MIA. We are deep in the middle of our remodel. It was supposed to be a kitchen remodel and it literally has turned into a whole house remodel. So you can see behind me, we've got Home Depot buckets. I do have my microwave right now. I didn't have this for a while. I still have no cooktop. It's been like a week. I've just been making everything in the microwave, which has been quite interesting. All of our kitchen cabinets are in. We're getting the countertops tomorrow. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. I'm sorry I haven't posted lately. I also am waiting for my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy, and I'll be posting about that. And I also just ordered something else that I'm really excited to share with you guys, and I'm excited to try and see if it works. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I'm dealing with here. I can't do any cleaning videos because there's nothing to clean. I mean, there is, but like, it would not be satisfying to watch. So, all right, check this out. So I hope I'm not doing like a total spoiler alert by showing you the cabinets, but they are white, they're in, but we still have the old countertops on. I have no kitchen island. Like this is, I don't even know what that is. Something my husband put up just so we had kind of like a workspace to deal with. There's our cooktop right there in the box still. And some paint. I did just get done painting. These were our pantry doors that were dark brown, and I just painted them because my husband has to custom order the doors that match the other cabinets, and they're not going to be in for a while, so I figured, you know what, I'm just going to paint them. So yeah, over here we've got just a huge mess. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday, so these are some of her toys that she got. She's been playing with those for 2 days. So yeah, my house is a complete disaster, you guys. Yep. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. So before we get to the bathroom, this is my office, you guys. I mean, what? Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm ready to get my house back. There's my vanity for my master bathroom. Why is it in the bedroom, you ask? Well, let me show you. So this is our bathroom right now. Okay. Yep, there it is. So that will eventually be a steam shower and a new bathtub that's sitting up there on top, but we can't put it in until the countertop or the top gets put back in. I still don't have a toilet in here. Oh, see, more tools. Yep. So this is what I'm dealing with, you guys. Originally, we were going to have all the work done for us, but my husband is in construction and he is able to do a lot of this stuff on his own, so he really could not justify paying someone to do it. So we built the cabinets. Mostly I put them all together. He put them in the kitchen. And then we are having the countertops put in. We did have most of the bathroom demoed out, but pretty much everything else we've been doing ourselves. So it literally started with the kitchen and somewhat of the master, then turned into a kitchen, full master. He gutted this bathroom. I was like, what is going on? We're redoing the half bathroom countertop. We're redoing some of the girls' bathroom upstairs. And we're also putting quartz in parts of the living room too. Stay tuned for that. So I just wanted to pop on you guys and say hi and say I'm still here, I'm alive. It's a mess right now and I cannot wait to clean my new house when it's done. But yeah, I plan on doing videos of all the remodels, and then I want to do, I've been asked to do a house tour. I'm gonna do that, and I am so ready to get back into my cleaning videos. So I'm sorry you guys, I haven't posted, but I don't really have anywhere to film either. So I usually film my makeup videos in my office. Well, I don't really have that space right now. So I just wanted to come on and say hi, and I'm hoping that by this weekend we'll have a big chunk of everything done. So hopefully we can start putting some stuff together and I can show you guys our new kitchen and every other room we did. So we'll talk to you guys soon. I hope you're having a good day. Bye.